Feeling overwhelmed by tax season when you're a mixed income earner? Let's cut through the confusion and master Form 1701A for the 8% flat tax rate. First things first, gather your essential documents. You'll need your certificate of withholding tax statements performed as 2316 for employment income and any official receipts or invoices for your business expenses if you're going for itemized deductions. Though we're focusing on the 8% option today, also have your taxpayer identification number or TIN ready. Now, let's dive into Form 1701A. Start with Part 1, the taxpayer information. Accurately fill in your TIN, name, address, and contact details under type of taxpayer. Select mixed income earner. Make sure you indicate the correct tax return period, typically the previous calendar year. Part 2 is where we detail your income for gross sales, receipts, and other income. Enter your total earnings from self-employment activities. Right below that, you'll find lines for compensation income. Enter the taxable compensation income you received from your employer here. Since you're opting for the 8% flat income tax rate, you won't be itemizing deductions for your business income. Instead, locate the section for the 8% optional standard deduction. This is calculated as simply 8% of your total gross sales or receipts and other income. Next, we determine your tax. Multiply the taxable income from your business gross sales minus your 8% optional standard deduction by the 8% tax rate. Add this amount to the tax due on your employment income, which would have already been reflected on your Form 2316 or similar documentation. This gives you your total tax due. In Part 3, Tax Payable, you'll enter your total tax due. Then, under Payments Made, subtract any taxes that were already withheld by your employer. The resulting figure is your amount payable. If you have any tax credits, you'd also deduct those here. Then, fill in your payment details to settle the amount. Finally, sign and date your return. Filing your tax obligations accurately is crucial for peace of mind. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated Form 1701A for mixed income earners with the 8% flat tax rate.